Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about the introduction to algorithm. What is an algorithm? In our previous videos, we have discussed about software, whether it is system software or an application software. The software is designed to analyze, configure, maintain, or optimize your computer. So these softwares are designed with a programming language. There are multiple programming languages around us, so you can choose any one of them. Suppose you are given a task or a problem to solve using a programming language. Then what you will do first? You have to plan or think how to solve this problem, right? Either you will think in your mind or you take pen and paper and do the rough sketch over there. Now, whatever you are thinking or planning, you just write it down in a simple English in step-by-step manner. And that will be your algorithm. We have a common definition of algorithm that it is a step-by-step procedure for solving a computational program. Then, what is a program? Program is also a step-by-step procedure for solving the problem. Then, what's the difference between these two? Now, by comparing these program and algorithms, I can make you understand the importance of the algorithm. If you know the software development life cycle, that means the phases of developing software project. In the phases of development of the project, there are two important phases, design phase and implementation phase. Whatever you want to manufacture or construct something by using engineering procedures, then one of the important step is designing. First, you know the designing, make your design perfect and thorough so that you can understand what you are going to construct and make sure that what you are going to develop. Then you start the development. You cannot develop anything, you cannot construct anything on trial and error basis. When you construct something, if you don't like that, again destroy, again construct, it is not the process. There will be a wastage of time and money. But it is very easy in software engineering. Software engineers can write some programs and change the mind, delete the program and again start it in over there. So there is a wastage of time in writing useless programs. So first you design and then you write the program. So at the design time, what do you use? In design time, we write the program by using simple English-like statements that are easy to understand. Without using proper syntax, we will not be writing on the machine. We will write on the paper. Or if you are using a machine also, then you will not be writing in some language. You can be writing in MS Word or Notepad like applications. So just you are getting familiar how your program going to work. So that is nothing but an algorithm. So algorithms are written in design phase, whereas programs are written at implementation time. And who will do this algorithm? The person who should have the knowledge about the solution of the problem, he will do that. That means the person gives a solution who understand the problem and having the domain knowledge. Suppose you are developing a software or a program for account. Then accountant can understand accounting better. Or if you are developing an application for hospital, then doctors or the administration staff of that hospital can understand the system better than a programmer. So mostly one who is having a knowledge about the domain for which the application is being developed, they can write on that. So the person who is having the domain knowledge, he can write the algorithm and he is the designer. Then who will write the program? Obviously, programmer only write the program. So programmers can also have the domain knowledge. Then what language is used for the algorithm? You can use any language like English and you can use some mathematical notations also, as long as it is understandable by those people who are using it. And the program is written only using a programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. So you can use different languages for developing a program. When you are writing an algorithm, it is not dependent on hardware. That means what machine you are going to use and what is the configuration of the system, etc. Also, it is not dependent on software. That means whatever the operating system, whether it is Linux or Windows, we don't bother about those. But when you write the program, it is dependent on hardware and operating system. So to develop a program, we have to select some hardware on which you are going to run. And also you have to select some operating systems like Linux or Windows. So the method will be different and the environment will be different. After writing an algorithm, we have to analyze the algorithm. That means we have to study the algorithm to find out are we achieving the results perfectly and our algorithm is an efficient one or not in terms of time and space. For the program, you don't have to study the program. Already program is there and you just run it and check the result only. That means we have to test the program. So all these are differences between algorithm and program, and these differences will help you to understand what are algorithms. In this video, if you understand the concept, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.